Oh, shit. Yo, what up, YouTube? So, on today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to become a digital nomad. I'm losing my voice, so excuse me for if I talk low during this video, but I wanted to get this out as soon as possible because it's a very important topic, because I know a lot of people, they truly are looking for freedom in their lives, and they want to build lifestyles where they can afford to travel and where they can afford to not work a 9-to-5 job and where they can afford to just live life on their own terms. So I really wanted to get this out there as soon as possible. But before we get into the video, let me explain why the fuck you should even listen to me in the first place, because who am I? So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Alan Woods. I'm 23 years old, and I have not worked a job in over 2 years now. That's crazy. But I'm surviving completely off my own businesses. No mommy and daddy money, no lottery, none of that bullshit. I'm living completely off of my own businesses that I've managed to build over the last couple of years. And right now I'm in Florence, Italy. I was in Rome a few days ago. I was in London before that. I was in California before that, Arizona before that, Hawaii before that. So I'm living life on my own terms, traveling the world, living an amazing lifestyle, making great friends, meeting beautiful women, just living a life that I've always wanted to live. And it took a lot of work to get here, but absolutely anyone in this world can do it. So I want to break down that process, because a lot of people truly overcomplicate the process, and they just sit around for years just running around on this hamster wheel because they're trying to figure out how the fuck to make money outside of the 9-to-5 world. And they just think and plan and research, but they never actually begin to take action. And it held me back for years personally. So I know that other people are in those same exact positions. So here is what you need to do. There are two very simple ways to live a digital nomad lifestyle. There's two options. Either you can work a remote job, or you can build your own business. Now, what do I recommend? I mean, obviously I have my own business, and I would recommend going that route, because that's what gives you the most freedom and the most bang for your buck and the most control over how you choose to live your life. Even with a remote job, you still have certain limitations over what you can do and where you can go and how much time you have available to yourself. So even then you're not in complete control. But anyways, yeah, like I said, you can either choose to do a remote job, or you can choose to do your own business. I recommend doing your own business. Now, the question is, what kind of business can you do? There's many different ones that you can choose to get into. You can do a digital marketing business. You can do an affiliate marketing business. You could do a website design business, SEO business, advertising business, Etsy business, Fiverr business. You could be a freelancer. There's so many options out there, dude. Like, anyone who is like wasting months and years trying to find the perfect business, you are going about this the wrong way. You are, because there are so many options out there, and there are millionaires in each of these industries. So you don't need to spend time, like months and months and months, thinking of, oh, what's the best business for me? Like, no, you're wasting your fucking time. Just choose one, stick with that, and put in the fucking work. It's not about what you do, it's about how you do it. You got to put in the work, man. So I highly suggest that you just find a business opportunity and go all in on that. Just dive deep into that. And once you have that business opportunity, in almost any business industry, if you put in the work consistently, just a couple hours of focused effort every single day, and you do that for 2 to 3 years, you will be making enough money to quit your job and to travel the world. You will. It took me from December of 2018 until October of 2021 to quit my job. And I spent a year of that time in jail. So literally, if you take out the time that I spent in jail, it literally only took me about a year and a half to reach a point in my business where I could quit my job. A year and a half. And I took the slow route, honestly, bro. Like, I wasted so much time, like taking time away from my business and fucking around and partying and just wilding the fuck out. Like, if you truly put in the work and focus on your business consistently, and you are in a business industry that has potential for massive growth, then anyone can build a successful business within 2 to 3 years. Anyone. It's not going to be easy. You're going to fall on your flat. You're going to fall flat on your face many times. It's going to happen. You need to be prepared for that because it happens to everybody who tries to become an entrepreneur. That's just a part of the growing pains. But if you can push through that for a certain amount of time and just keep on going and keep on moving forward, eventually you'll come out on the other side. And when you reach that, you'll look back at the times that you were struggling like, wow, I'm so proud of my past self. If my past self hadn't had the strength and the courage and the mental fortitude to keep on pushing, I wouldn't be living this beautiful lifestyle. So again, like I said, if you're not able to live a life of freedom right now, all you need to do, God, I'm I'm losing my voice and shit. Like I said, I'm traveling right now, but I really wanted to record this video and get it out to y'all as soon as possible. But like I was saying, if you want to create a lifestyle of complete freedom on your own terms, you need to first get either a remote job or a business of your own that allows you to step away from the 9 to 5 world. And after you have done that, then you can focus on that business for 2 to 3 years. And by the end of that time, if you are taking the right steps, you will see results. And if you're already questioning in your head, like, oh, there's no way that I could make enough money to step away from the job in 2 to 3 years. Like, if that's where your head is at, bro, like, you need to realize that you are your own biggest enemy. Because the main thing that I've noticed, I've met so many millionaires in my life and so many successful business people in my life and so many entrepreneurs who are making stupid money. And the only thing that truly separates them from anybody else is that they have a switch in their brain. And when you talk to them, you can instantly see that they just think differently. They don't take no for an answer. They all believe that they have the potential to do absolutely anything in this life. Absolutely anything. If they put in the work. And you need to take that same mentality into the business world. You can't be sitting here questioning like, oh, I don't know if I can make that amount of money. 2 to 3 years, I can't do that. Like, you can't be thinking like that, bro. You can't. Because you are literally your own biggest enemy. There are so many people who have escaped the 9 to 5 world within 2 to 3 years and built lives of complete freedom. Complete freedom. So why the fuck can't you? You can. But don't get in your own way. But anyways, I just want to give y'all some inspiration real quick. That's the very, very bare essential overview of how to become a digital nomad. I've been living this lifestyle for a while now, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I truly believe that anyone in this world can do it. Blah, I'm skipping over my words and shit. Anyways, I wish y'all the best of luck. And always remember that consistency creates kings. And if you are not consistent in the areas of your life that matter the most to you, then you will not see results in your life. If you like this video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, y'all.